The new ultra flagship iPhone 17 Pro Max launch date, price in the USA, Dubai and India, design, specs, camera, and all leaks we know so far. New reports claim that Apple may ditch the iPhone Plus and iPhone Pro Max this year for the new iPhone 17 Air and iPhone 17 Ultra. Let's take a closer look at everything we know so far. Apple is reportedly making a major shift in the iPhone 17 Pro Max's build. Instead of the titanium frame used in previous models, Apple could return to aluminum, featuring a combination of glass and aluminum on the back for better durability. The camera bump is also expected to change from a square to a wider rectangular design. On the display front, Apple may introduce a more scratch-resistant, anti-reflective screen, which could be an upgrade over the ceramic shield protection found in current iPhones. Powering the iPhone 17 Pro Max will likely be Apple's next-generation A19 Pro chip, built on a 3nm process for improved speed and efficiency. RAM is also getting a boost, with the Pro Max model expected to pack 12GB, up from 8GB in the iPhone 16 Pro lineup. iPhone 17 Pro Max camera upgrades. One of the biggest highlights of the iPhone 17 Pro Max could be its camera system. Apple is rumored to upgrade the telephoto lens to 48 megapixel, joining the wide and ultra-wide sensors at the same resolution. Additionally, the main wide lens may feature a mechanical aperture, allowing users to adjust light intake for better low-light photography. The front-facing camera is also expected to see a significant jump to 24 megapixels. Apple is reportedly testing a 7.5 watts reverse wireless charging feature, which would let users charge AirPods or an Apple Watch using the iPhone's battery. However, wired charging speeds are expected to remain at 35 watts. Will it be iPhone 17 Pro Max or iPhone 17 Ultra? While some rumors suggest Apple could rename the Pro Max model as the iPhone 17 Ultra, this remains uncertain. iPhone 17 Pro Max launch date. Apple is expected to announce the iPhone 17 Pro Max alongside the iPhone 17, iPhone 17 Air, and iPhone 17 Pro between September 11 and September 13, 2025. Expected price of iPhone 17 Pro Max. Prices are yet to be confirmed, but considering previous trends, the iPhone 17 Pro Max could start at around $1,199 in the US and $144,900 INR in India, with pricing in Dubai expected around $4,099 AED. So that's everything we know so far about the iPhone 17 Pro Max. Exciting upgrades are coming. What are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to TechBox for the latest tech updates. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.